break you down. It's all or nothing, nothing now. You're going up against the greatest, and it's gonna get messy. If you wanna try to test me, oh. You're going up against the greatest. Take a swing, you're gonna miss me. Yeah, it's going down in history. Oh, I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest. I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest. I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest. I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest.
It's amazing to see how much you've grown over the years, and through these years, I'm so happy to be part of it. I hope you continue to stay true to yourself always, no matter where life takes you. I will always be here for you. Wishing you happiness and success. Enjoy your day, Yesha. I love you so much and happy 18th birthday.
You're going up against the greatest, and it's gonna get messy. If you wanna try to test me, oh. You're going up against the greatest.
Happy birthday, Yesha! We wish you the happiness that you truly deserve. We love you!
I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest. I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest. I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest. I'm the greatest.
Recommend play my song on the radio. You too busy trying to find that blue I saw. I let my black hair grow and my weed smoke and the sweat.
Si Yesha, matahimik na bata, pero mabait, sweet siya, mapagmahal. Mula nung ano naman yan wala akong problema sa batang yan, lalo-lalong sa kanyang pag-aaral. At deserve niya kung ano yung meron siya ngayong debut niya.
Goddamn bitch, I am not a teen choice. Goddamn.
Masasabi ko lang si Yesha, mabait siyang bata. Since baby siya hanggang paglaki niya, nasubaybayan siya ng kanyang magulang. Hindi namin siya nakita ng pagiging saway na bata.
All my niggas blew up like a propane. All these R&B niggas be so lame. Got a sweet Asian chick, she gon' roll me.
Ang wish ko lang, sana always believe in yourself and follow your dreams. Okay? I love you. Happy 18th birthday ulit!
Try to forget who I am. I'll be right there to remind you again. You know me. Bye, bye. You know
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Yesha. May you continue to chase your dreams and achieve all your goals. Always remember that you are loved and appreciated by so many people. Wishing you endless happiness, success, and beautiful moments in the years ahead. Enjoy your debut and have an amazing day.
said I'm just trying to swim in something wetter than the ocean. Faded up a double cup. I'm
Ang wish ko sa'yo, anak, mag-aaral mabuti. Although ginagawa mo namang nag-aaral mabuti, pangako mo lang, anak, yun lang naman hinihiling namin sa'yo, yung makatapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral. Alam namin na hindi ka sanay sa buhay na wala. Kahit pa paano naman, anak, na ibibigay sa'yo. Although malayo nga yung papa mo, bumabawi naman siya sa ibang paraan. Dahil ipapakita niya sa'yo yung pagmamahal na gusto niyang iparamdam sa'yo.
you know me. You know me. You know me. You know me.
Ang mapapayo ko lang sa kanya, mag-aral siyang mabuti. Nandito lang kami palagi, mga pamilya niya, nakasupport sa kanya. Huwag siyang magsasawang tumawag sa Panginoon, taas, mag-pray palagi para matupad niya yung pangarap.
Don't you shake some, both down, don't you break none.
Happy 18th birthday, Yesha. To more memories with you. May all your dreams come true, and I hope you can continue to strive as the fun and considerate person you are. I love you, Yesha. Happy birthday.
Don't you break none, baby girl, won't you work some, both down, don't you hurt none.
So, ingat lang lagi, anak. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Good health lagi, anak. Enjoy mo lang ang buhay, anak. Huwag masyadong seryoso sa study. I love you!
Yesha, stay kind, brave, and huwag kang mapagod mangarap. Happy 80th birthday, Yesha. Nandito lang kami nagmamahal sa'yo.